Good morning, greeting to all of us. I'm Sriwayuni from Headline News, brings you the latest news from today. Rain continued to flood Kendal and the neighboring district, resulting in several roads becoming waterlogged and suffering damage. Motorcyclists and drivers of small vehicles should exercise extra caution on slippery roads since flooding is a possibility in the Pantura area if it continues to rain. The river's water output increased as a result of the heavy rain. According to Cucaheman, the rise from near the river as concurred that the harvest will fail or that the price at the time of the harvest will decline and even farmer can incur huge loss. Unspecified heavy rain will disrupt people's daily activities by causing lots of damp cloudlines, showing mosquito population, and of course making outdoor activity difficult. We exciting more windy and break weather. That's all the news for today. I'm Sriwahini. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.